Hey, what are you doing? Logan, what is this? Elephant, good job. What's this? Tiger, good job. What's this? Alligator. What's this? Rhino, good job. What's this? Meow meow, nice. What's that? No, what is that? That's not a zebra. What is it? No, look. What is it? Giraffe. Good job. What's on there? And doggy. And what else? Ducks. Good job. Who is that?
Mickey.
Say Mickey, and then who? What else? Who else? Minnie. And?
Minnie.
And who else? Who else?
Minnie right here.
Minnie's right where?
Right here.
I don't see Minnie.
No. It's you.
You'll show me?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, good job. What else? Show me some other stuff. Show me some other stuff. What else is, what is that? Ball. What is that? Do you know what that is? Is that a hammer? Wow. No, nope, not that. Where are you going? Logan, come talk to Mommy. Here, come talk to Mommy. You want to read Mommy? Oh, what's this? What is it? That's not an alligator. That's a motorcycle. Did you just hit where's your slippers? What are on them? Monkeys? Mad monkeys?
Yeah.
They're not mad. Yeah? You want to read a book to me? You read the book to me. Sit down, read the book to Mommy. I don't want to. Here, you read the book to Mommy. Foofon? Say Foofon. What's that's a car?
Yeah.
Good job. Here. What are you doing? Are you dancing? Are you done talking? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the phone. Bye-bye phone. Say bye-bye everybody. And then blow kisses. Say I like chicken. Oh, you like chicken?
Hey.
Do you like to go poop? No go poop what? No go poopy?
No.
Okay. Say peace. Go peace. Say deuces. Say 2 thumbs. And I'm out.